courage for me to come to begin with. And so then when I came, it was just really easy. I wasn't intimidated. I was supported through it. I feel like a lot of times when I have gone in the past, it's like you're getting judged because you don't take care of your house the right way. And it just wasn't that way at all. It's very friendly. It's very, accommodating and very sensitive to my anxiety around it. So I would say Mallory and Dr. Denny, wonderful. So I would recommend them to anybody. I've had bad teeth my entire life. I've had to deal with root canals and crowns and teeth pulled. I've had bad teeth my entire life. And so I have had to deal with root canals and crowns and teeth pulled and bridges. And I had gotten to the point, it's like I just dreaded going to the dentist. And I thought, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this taken care of and deal with my teeth and my mouth and bridges. And I had gotten to the point, it's like I just dreaded going to the dentist. And I thought, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this taken care of and deal with my teeth and my mouth. It's actually given me some confidence that I look, I think, a little bit younger than what I normally would. So for me, it's like I finally arrived at 64. I'm able to chew on the left side of my mouth. I haven't been able to chew on the left side for 15 years, probably because I had teeth that were gone. And then just being able to eat whatever I wanted to.
How was working with Dr. Rick?
Oh, he was awesome. He's actually got a pretty cool personality, but he's very intentional about making sure everything's right, and he's a perfectionist. You can tell he's a perfectionist, and so I appreciated that level of quality.